cartilages like arytenoid, uniform, and columellate. Okay, so these we will not go into the description of the cartilages as we used to go in the description regarding in the anatomy. We just have to identify these cartilages. Then these cartilages are connected to one another by the joints. So if we were talking about the composition of the larynx, we will say it is made up of cartilages, it is made up of joints, then it is made up of membranes. The membranes are external as well as intrinsic. Then what else you identify? The muscles. And the inner lining of the larynx is being covered by the mucous membrane. So when we identify the cartilages, after that we will identify regarding the membranes. So the extrinsic membrane is one extending from the hyoid bone to the thyroid cartilage is the thyroid membrane. The other one, which is so they are thickened band, will not go into that detail. There is a median as well as a lateral thickened band. Then you know that from the thyroid cartilage to the cricoid cartilage, there is again a membrane which is called as cricothyroid. This aspect is covered by the mucous membrane. And the inner aspect of the mucous membrane is covered by another group of a membrane collectively which is called as the fibroelastic membrane. Now this fibroelastic membrane is having two components. This was about the laryngeal cartilages. Then we were talking about the membrane. So now this fibroelastic membrane is having two components.